Welcome to Everyday English, the podcast where real conversations teach you real English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm William. Today's episode is for anyone who shops online or wants to. We are talking orders, tracking, and returns.
And trust me, William is going to learn a lot today. This is actually his first time shopping online.
It's true. I always go to the store, but Sarah is going to show me how it works. Let's go.
Okay, William, so you want to buy a new coffee maker, right?
Yes. My old one broke. My neighbor told me to buy it online, but I don't really know how.
No problem. I'll walk you through the whole process. First, you go to the website and search for what you want. When you find it, you click a button that says Add to Cart.
Add to cart, like a real cart in a supermarket, but on my screen.
Exactly. And you can add to cart many things and buy them all at once. It makes shopping very convenient.
Okay, I'm on the website now. I found the coffee maker I want. It looks great. I click Add to Cart. Done. Now what?
Now you go to your cart and click Checkout. But first, always check the stock. Sometimes a product is out of stock, which means they don't have any left to sell.
Oh, what happens if it's out of stock? Do I lose my money?
No. If something is out of stock, you can't even buy it. The button usually says Notify Me instead of Add to Cart. You give your email, and they tell you when it's available again.
Okay, mine is not out of stock. So I click Checkout. Now it's asking for my address and my credit card. This part makes me nervous.
That's normal. Just make sure the website has HTTPS at the start. That means it's secure. Fill in your information and click Place Order.
Done. It says, your order is confirmed. Estimated delivery is 3 to 5 business days. What does estimated delivery mean?
Estimated delivery is the approximate time your package will arrive. It's not always exact. Sometimes it comes earlier, sometimes a day or two later.
3 to 5 days. That feels like a long time. I want my coffee maker now.
Huh. I know the feeling. But don't worry, you can always track your order while you wait. Let's stop and review the words we just learned. Say them with me. First, add to cart. Add to cart. When you shop online, you add to cart the things you want before paying.
Next, out of stock. Out of stock. If a product is out of stock, it means the store has none available right now.
And estimated delivery. Estimated delivery. The estimated delivery tells you approximately when your order will arrive.
Okay, it's been 2 days. I'm checking my email and I see a message with a tracking number. Sarah, what do I do?
That's great. You use that number to track your order. Just go to the shipping company's website or the store's website and enter the number. You can track your order and see exactly where your package is.
Wow, it says my package is in a warehouse in the city. It's so close.
See? It's fun to track your order. And most shipping companies update the status every few hours, so you always know where it is.
It arrived. But, oh no, it's the wrong color. I wanted black, but they sent me white. What do I do?
First, don't panic. Check the store's return policy. The return policy explains the rules for sending something back, how many days you have, whether it's free, and how to do it.
I found it. It says I have 30 days to return the item. And since they sent the wrong one, the return is free. How do I actually return it?
You click Start a Return on the website, choose the reason Wrong Item, and they'll email you a prepaid shipping label. You print it, put it on the box, and drop it at a shipping location.
And then what? Do I get my money back?
Yes. Once they receive the return, they process a refund. A refund means they send your money back to your credit card or bank account. It usually takes 5 to 10 business days.
A refund. Great. So I return the white one and get a refund, then order the black one. Online shopping is not so scary after all.
Exactly. And now you know all the key steps from adding to cart to getting a refund. You're an online shopper now, William.
Let's review the second set of vocabulary words. Track your order. Track your order. You can track your order online to see where your package is right now.
Return policy. Return policy. Read the return policy before you buy so you know the rules for sending something back.
Refund. Refund. If there is a problem with your order, you can return it and get a refund, your money back.
Now let's practice together. Listen carefully and repeat each phrase after you hear it. Add to cart.
Out of stock.
Estimated delivery.
Track your order.
Return policy.
Refund.
I need to track my order.
What is your return policy?
When will I receive my refund?
Time for a quick quiz. I'll describe a situation. You tell me which word fits best. Ready?
Question 1. You find a great jacket online, but when you click on it, the button says Notify Me and you can't buy it. What does this mean?
Hun, the jacket is out of stock. There are no jackets left to buy right now.
Correct. Out of stock means none are available. Question 2. You receive a confirmation email that says your package will arrive between Tuesday and Thursday. What is this called?
That's the estimated delivery. The approximate date your package will arrive.
Perfect. Question 3. You bought shoes online, but they're too small. You want to send them back and get your money returned. What is the money you get back called?
That's a refund. The store returns your money when you send the item back.
Excellent, William. You got all 3 right. You're officially an expert online shopper.
That's it for today's episode of Everyday English. Let's do a final review of all 6 words.
Add to cart. Put something in your virtual shopping basket.
Out of stock. The product is not available right now.
Estimated delivery. The approximate date your package will arrive.
Track your order. Follow your package's journey online.
Return policy. The store's rules for accepting items back.
And refund. The money you get back after returning something.
Practice these phrases next time you shop online. Try writing a sentence with each one.
And if you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who is learning English. See you next time on Everyday English.
Bye, everyone.